In the previous video, we saw how to prepare a list of bloggers in your niche and why you would want to follow them on Twitter. Now that you have a list of bloggers in your niche and you are already following them, you would want to retweet at least a few of their tweets every week for a couple of weeks. Actively promote their content to your followers, and sooner or later they will see you are helping them with their marketing and helping them build a following. You would want to get noticed by these people and you want to appear on their radar. That's the reason why you want to do things this way. After a while of doing this, write them an email or send them a tweet saying you have a nice infographic related to mattresses and whether they would want to take a look at it. If you send this to several bloggers, at least a few will respond saying they would like to. Like everything else, this too is a numbers game. To those people who respond, send them a link to the page on your site with the infographic and tell them you will be glad to write a unique 300 to 500 word introduction to the infographic if they are willing to post the infographic on their site. Of course, in every introduction, you will have a backlink to your site. Again, you should have several people accept your offer. You would not want to send them emails or tweets about your infographic before you follow them on Twitter and have been retweeting their tweets for a while and saying some nice things about their content. Your response rate will be very low if you do not take the time to build a rapport with them.